My dear viewers, in today's video I'm gonna give you unbelievably information about best vitamins that can help you with your back problems. This is especially important for the woman after 50 years and older, because you are in a lot of danger after 50 years, and I will explain everything, why the spine problems are so dangerous, what the statistics say, best sources of vitamins. Even I will talk about correlation with the chemical medication that you take each day versus healthy lifestyle and the vitamins. Back problems are among the most common health issues worldwide, especially in people over the age of 50. When we talk about sick backs or unhealthy spines, we are referring to a wide range of conditions such as chronic lower back pain, herniated disc, sciatica, spinal stenosis, osteoporosis-related fractures, and degenerative disc disease. Those conditions can severely limit mobility, decrease quality of life, and often lead to chronic pain that becomes daily burden. After the age of 50, the body undergoes significant structural changes. The intervertebral discs begin to lose water content and elasticity, which reduce their ability to absorb shock. Bone density decreases, making the spine more fragile and prone to fractures. Muscle mass also declines, reducing the natural support for the spine. Poor posture, lack of physical activity, obesity, and nutritional deficiency further worsens your problems. You know what else further worsens your problems? It's going to be taking each day chemical medication with, like 50, 100 side effects. This is what I see for the last 25 years working with the patients with the back problems and any other disease. The first step for you to get cured is going to be drink all those medications. And when you drink all those medications for the months, for the years, what you can expect? Unbelievably bad situation. When you take chemical medication, it's going to be not problem that you take chemical medication or injections in your spine in the first maybe couple of weeks, at most for the first 3 months. After 3 months, if you still have the back problems, this is unbelievably serious problem right now, because you right now in the chronic stage of your chronic diseases, and in the 100 years, chemical medications and injections will not help you. And not because they only treat a couple of symptoms, but causes of back problems is getting worse. Did you understand me? 3 months is going to be the limit. Before 3 months, you can take, whatever you want to take with those chemical medication injections, but after 3 months, you really need to think about it. How can you cure your sick problems? Only with natural remedies, nutrition, and maybe with some kind of physical therapy and rehabilitations. Statistics, how widespread is the problem? In the United States alone, statistics reveal a concerning pictures. In the year 2000, around 65 million adults reported back pain every year. By 2010, number increases over 80 million people. Today in 2025, nearly 100 million adults in the US suffer from chronic back problems, with women over 50 being one of the most vulnerable groups. Chronic back pain is also one of the leading causes of disability worldwide. It is estimated that up to 25% adults over 50 live with daily back pain that lasts longer than the 3 months. But we just go to our doctors. More medication, more injections. Then after you cannot get any help from those medication injections, where you go, my dear viewers? Please comment below the video, please. You go so-called medical professionals, like masseurs, like chiropractic or whatever. Everyone wants to get fixed in the first couple of minutes, right? You have the chronic back pain problems. You just need to crack your spine. Everything is going to be fine, right? Wrong, my dear viewers. Can you see the statistics? In the US, right now, it's almost 100 million people with back problem. In Europe also is similar kind of problems. But we have so much perfect. Our medicine is perfect. I was finished medical faculty and all medical schools almost 26 years ago. What can I say, my dear viewers? I understand what classical medicine is, and I know what is natural remedies and nutrition. Right now in my office, I work with the patients like 99% with any kind of disease, especially with back problems, only with nutrition and natural remedies and healthy lifestyle. 1% is going to be physical therapy and rehabilitation. Not all medicine procedures are bad, of course not. But you really must think about it, like 90% that you take in your body that is chemical synthetic medication will not help you in the 100 years. But a lot of you don't understand it, that's why we are getting so much sick each year. When it comes to the chronic back condition, the most common treatment include chemical painkillers, corticosteroid injections, and sometimes even invasive surgeries. While these approaches may provide temporary relief, they often fail to address the root cause of the problem. Long term of using painkillers can damage the liver, kidneys, and the stomach. Repeated injections may weaken tissues and cause additional problems. Surgeries are risky and do not always guarantee lasting results. This is why focusing on natural healing and nutritional support is essential. Vitamins and minerals play a crucial role in maintaining spinal health, repairing connective tissues, preventing further damage. But when it comes to back pain problems, I'm going to recommend you today 3 special vitamins that really can help you. Now listen to me very carefully. First one is going to be vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for calcium and magnesium absorption. Without sufficient vitamin D, the bones and vertebrae becomes weak and fragile, leading to fractures and worsening back pain. Vitamin D also supports the immune system, reduces inflammation, and helps muscle functions properly. Recommended intake is going to be about a couple of thousand international units. For people with deficiencies, higher doses may be recommended under medical supervision. My second recommendation is going to be vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for the nerve health, red blood cells production, and proper absorption of calcium. Deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to nerve pain, tingling, muscle weakness, and fatigue, all of which worsen back problems. For maximum absorption, B12 should be taken in lozenge or sublingual form. Recommended intake is 1000 micrograms daily in sublingual form for better absorption. And my third recommendation is going to be vitamin C. It's not only vital for immunity, it is also essential for collagen production. Collagen is protein that holds connective tissues together, including tendons, ligaments, and intervertebral discs. Without collagen, tissues are weakened and breaking down, leading to more back pain and degenerations. Bioflavonoids enhance the absorption of effectiveness of vitamin C. Usually, if you have chronic back pain, you will need a couple thousand micrograms daily. Maybe 3,000, maybe 4,000 or 5,000 micrograms daily of vitamin C. And all of those vitamins, they are not here to quickly repair your problems with your spine. You are being told lies for the law of your life. Everyone offers you quick solution for the chronic conditions, right? That's why you only just need to take a pill, you will get an injection, you will be perfectly fine, right? You just need to crack your back and you are good as new. Wrong, my dear viewers. For the last 26 years, I listen to this every day. Healthy lifestyle, good quality vitamins, natural remedies, everything will help you, but on the longer period of time. Because on the longer period of time, you are curing or removing the causes of your problems. Not symptoms, the causes. And that's why you really need all those vitamins. Vitamin D strengthens the bones, reducing fractures and supporting the spinal structure. Vitamin B12 protects the nerves and ensures healthy communication between brain and the muscles. Vitamin C restores damaged connective tissues, ligaments, and the cartilage, making it indispensable for healing. Together, all those vitamins create a powerful against the further degeneration and support the natural healing process. And for the last part of the video today, I really want to explain everything that you need to know about vitamins, how you can take with them foods. When I talk to my patients, always it's going to be take those vitamins or minerals or essential fatty acids with the food. you take only supplements when you don't eat good quality food. But if you want to understand what are the best sources of those vitamins in the food, I really want to help you right now. Foods rich in vitamin D is going to be fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines. You can use cod liver oil. A traditional remedy, cod liver oil, is extremely concentrated in vitamin D. You can use egg yolks. White eggs have sometimes been criticized. The yolk is nutritional powerhouse. In addition to vitamin D, it contains protein, choline for brain health, and healthy fats. You can use fortified dairy products or mushroom exposed to the sunlight. Mushrooms naturally contain vitamin D too, but when they exposed to UV light, their vitamin levels increase dramatically. You can eat food rich in vitamin B12 like beef liver, clams, fish like trout, and tuna or salmon. You can use poultry or chicken and turkey and eggs and dairy products. They're all rich in vitamin B12. When you talk about rich food, vitamin C is going to be citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and the lemon. Oranges and grapefruits are classical sources of vitamin C. Just one medium orange provides over 1,000 of daily requirements. Citrus fruits also hydrating and support immune health. Foods rich in vitamin C is going to be kiwi, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli sprouts. It's unbelievably great. By combining those powerful foods, you're not just feeding your body, you're actively preparing your bones, protecting your spinal nerves, and rebuilding the connective tissues that hold you back together. Supplements may be necessary in some cases, especially for women over 50 with deficiencies. But food should always be foundation. A diet rich in vitamin D, vitamin B12, and vitamin C is one of the most natural and effective ways to prevent, even reverse back problems. But this not work immediately. You must take them maybe for the months, weeks, maybe a whole year. But when you think about the healthy lifestyle, you must do it all your life if you want to be healthy, or you don't. My dear viewers, as I said it before, for almost 26 years I work with the patients all around the world. And if you want me to help you to cure your diseases in the safe and natural way, call please +385 98 9179 200. This is Mario Lab Center in Zagreb, Croatia. You have two options how I help my patients, how I can help you. First one, you can come to my office if you have back problem or any other problems that I work with my patients, or you can use me in the form of phone consultations. Either way, I will be giving you my special natural remedy, healthy lifestyle and natural remedies programs directly for your problems. Nutrition, healthy lifestyle, and special natural remedies. Even I'll send directly back to you, to your house, best natural remedies in the world. And you just need to follow my instructions, and if you want to get better in safe, natural way. This is how I do decades with the patients. I believe I can help you a lot. My dear viewers, thank you for following me. God bless you. God bless your family. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.